Today's day 4 of the Ford E-Transit cold weather testing. Testing the range. We've got a 2022 Ford E-Transit with a Fenton secondary battery system. It's going to provide us the heat throughout the day. So we're preconditioning the vehicle right now. Here's the vehicle. It's like in the 20s out right now, 27 I believe. We're plugged in. Looks like our range is right around 101. Looks like we've got approximately a 9-hour run time on our secondary battery system. So the idea here is to heat the vehicle with a secondary battery system and conserve all the range for driving. So here we go. So here we are with the preconditioning. You can see Ford indicates we got a full charge here. This is the secondary battery pack charge point. So we're just gonna disconnect and go. So here is the display screen for the secondary battery system. There's an on-off power switch, which we're all powered up, ready to go. It shows our state of charge is right around 90% over here. This is its current load, so there's no load on it, on the system at all. Everything in green indicates it's ready to go. So this is our heating system up here. Fire that bad boy up. Now you can see we're pulling 5 kilowatts of energy. So this will probably ramp up to 7 as the heater starts really pulling. It's got a 7 kilowatt heater built in, plus your fans and stuff. So our goal is to stay right around the 7 to 8 hour run time for the day. You see the ramp up just happened. Alright, so we're going to shut off the Ford. And we're going to take off. Long-term EV test, cold weather. It's cranking. This is the second stop. I'm actually gonna snow blow my driveway. So we're gonna let it sit here for probably 20 minutes. I'm gonna open up the door. Typically you would not be in this much snow, but you can hear the heat inside going. I spent about 20-25 minutes snow blowing the driveway. And left the door open the whole time, cycled the lift twice. And here's where we're at. Lift out. You can see the air's a little clearer. Temperature inside dropped to 68. So we got about 70% battery left. You can see it's pulling 7 kilowatts to keep it toasty in here. Obviously stay warm with the door closed. 25 degrees. So here we are at another stop. Little Amish community. You got a little few errands to run, but as you can see, this terrain that we're on is snowy all day. It has warmed up to 27 degrees, but this is the kind of environment we're testing in here. Kind of worst case scenario. I'll leave the door open while we're here at the tarp shop and see how it looks. So that was another extended stop of 20 minutes. So heater just shut off, there's no load. It's still 77 in here, so no more. Alright, we're 2 hours and 47 minutes in, 62 miles on her, just under a half of a charge left. About half left here, and we're gonna open the door up and let her have it again. So that was a 20-minute stop at 27 degrees and windy. So just plugged her in. So gives you a little idea where we're going here. Let you know how long it takes. Alright, so it's about 3:13. Give you little stats on the charging. We're at 79%. We've got about a little under 3 hours of runtime here. Now remember, we really beat on the secondary battery system today because the door open times are well over an hour with lift cycles. It's projecting, based on our driving today, another 87 miles to go. We had just about 90 on it. So that'd give us a total, somewhere in the 175, 170 usable mileage for the day with about a 40-minute hold. A little bit of a summary. It's hard to see, but we have 76 miles to go, 105 on the trip, 6 hours duration. We have 2 hours left on the battery. Remember how bad we left the door open today for over an hour and 20 minutes straight, so that's pretty exceptional. We used probably an additional 25 kilowatt hours just to heat the interior, relieving that off the Ford battery. So, pretty successful test, 180 mile range, 1 DC fast charge.